Hi there, fellow creatives. Let's talk about two amazing tools, Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop. They are like digital art supplies, each with special powers. Illustrator and Photoshop are used by artists, designers, and anyone who loves visuals. Maybe you want to design a logo, edit photos, or create cool graphics. These programs can help. This essay will explain what Illustrator and Photoshop do best. We'll learn about their tools and see examples. By the end, you'll know which program to use for your projects. Ready to dive in? Let's go! Illustrator is all about vectors. Imagine drawing a line with a pen. You can stretch it, bend it, and it still looks smooth. That's what vectors do. Illustrator is perfect for creating logos, icons, and illustrations. Since vectors are scalable, your artwork will look sharp at any size. Think about a logo on a business card and a billboard. It needs to look good big or small. Designers love Illustrator for its precision. You can create clean lines, smooth curves, and perfect shapes. It's also great for typography, making it ideal for designing posters, flyers, and brochures. Illustrator has tons of tools, but here are a few key ones. The pen tool. This is like a digital pen for drawing lines and curves. It takes practice, but it's super powerful. Shape tools create perfect circles, squares, stars, and more with just a few clicks. The type tool. Add text to your designs and explore different fonts and styles. Pathfinder. Combine shapes in creative ways to make new ones. With these tools and more, Illustrator lets you bring your design ideas to life with precision and style. Photoshop is like a magic darkroom for your photos. It's all about pixels, those tiny squares that make up digital images. Want to retouch a photo, add cool effects, or create photorealistic art? Photoshop is your go-to. It's also great for web design, creating social media graphics, and even painting digitally. Photoshop is known for its powerful editing capabilities. You can adjust colors, remove blemishes, and even combine different photos into one. It's like having a photo studio at your fingertips. Section 5. Photoshop's tools, your digital darkroom. Photoshop has a vast array of tools, but here are some essentials. Selection tools. These let you isolate specific parts of an image, like cutting out a person from a background. Brush tool. This is your digital paintbrush. Use it to paint, draw, and add effects to your images. Layers. Imagine stacking transparent sheets of paper on top of each other. Each layer in Photoshop can hold different elements of your image, making editing a breeze. Filters. Photoshop's filters are like Instagram on steroids. They let you apply amazing effects to your images with just a few clicks. With these tools and more, Photoshop gives you endless possibilities to edit, enhance, and transform your images. Section 6. Illustrator versus Photoshop. Choosing your champion. So which one should you use? It depends on your project. Illustrator is best for logos and icons, illustrations and designs that need to be scalable. Photoshop is best for photo editing, digital painting, and web and social media graphics. Here's a simple way to remember. Illustrator equals shapes and lines. Photoshop equals pixels and photos. Section 7. Teamwork makes the dream work. Illustrator and Photoshop together. The best part? You can use Illustrator and Photoshop together. They're like best friends who complement each other's strengths. For example, you could design a logo in Illustrator and then import it into Photoshop to add it to a website mockup. Or you could create a digital painting in Photoshop and then use Illustrator to add text and vector elements. By using Illustrator and Photoshop together, you unlock even more creative possibilities. Section 8. Ready to create? Congratulations! You've taken your first steps into the exciting world of digital art with Illustrator and Photoshop. Now it's your turn to experiment, explore, and create something amazing. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to use these programs. The most important thing is to have fun and let your creativity run wild.